I'm sitting here whittling a teddy bear. My phone buzzes. A buddy texts me. Got any spare whittling knives? I freeze. I got knives, camping blades, utility cutters, folders, plenty of those. But my whittling knives? Those are special. Took years to get just right. Like fine-tuned instruments. They fit my hand like they belong there. I type back. Sorry, no spares. That felt wrong. Like turning down someone asking for your favorite recipe. He's just getting into carving, and here I am guarding my tools like Gollum guarding the ring. Then I think, maybe I can fix this, make him a set. From scrap wood and steel I got laying around. I start drawing a detail knife, a smaller detailer, a chip carver, and 2 palm chisels. One straight and one skewed. Simple, practical. Copies of some of the knives I use the most. The smaller detailer and chisels will be made from jigsaw blades. The larger detail knife and the chip carver made from HSS reciprocating saw blade. I snap the large blade to 3 by clamping the piece in a vise and bending it back and forth. Crack, clean break, satisfying sound. One more time. Then to the grinder, slow passes, dip in water every few seconds, keep the temper, keep it cool. Sparks fly, things can go wrong, overheat, the blade becomes brittle, like burning a stew. Too thin, they snap like a weak plant stem. These saw blades, like clay, can be formed. Grind them, shape them, they become knives. HSS blades, tougher than many store-bought whittling knives. Beats a $50 set any day. One by one the shape appear. 5 tools, 3 knives, 2 chisels. Detailers broad and solid. The smaller thin and precise. Chip carver short, curved. Chisels, one straight, one skewed, bites clean. Next, the handles. I dig through the scrap pile, find ash, cherry and some old broken axe handles, also ash. Ash is strong, cherry is warm. I lay them out, whittle them into rough shapes. I switch between the axe and the slade knife. No need for precision yet. For the tang, I just drill the hole by feel. I'll fix any crookedness when I refine the handles after glue up. I mix some 5-minute epoxy and slip the blades in, strong enough for small carving tasks. Now the waiting game. Workshop is quiet. Glue needs to cure. Can't rush it anyway. Once the epoxy is set, I can start shaping the final form for the handles. I could sand the shapes fast on a belt sander, but I would much rather whittle. More hands-on. And I like the handmade look and feel they get. No need for sandpaper with a sharp knife. Knife bites, shaving curls away, until each handle feels just right in my hand. Drop them in a Ziploc bag with a dash of linseed oil. Let them soak for an hour or so. Color deepens, ash turns honey gold, cherry goes dark and rich. HSS steel is tough, diamond stone is the only way to go. Slow strokes, light pressure, water on the stone. It goes pretty fast, they shine, are hair shaving sharp, curl seasoned wood and make clean chip edges. 5 tools, all from scraps and cheap saw blades. Simple. It feels right now. Hope he can use these and that he likes them. It's funny how small wood scraps and a bit of metal with time and care can become something useful. That's what I love about making. You don't need perfect tools. You just need to start. Thank you for watching. Hope it inspires.